Now we will consider an example. The concept is design a three-stage system with the device types D1, D2, D3. These are the three devices and the costs are 30, 15, 20 respectively. That is simply C1. Assume C1 is equal to cost of device 1, that is 30, C2 cost of device 2 15, C3 cost of device 3 20. This is the given, and the cost of the system is to be no more than 105. That is, the total cost of the system is the maximum $105, and the reliability of each device, assume R1 is equal to reliability of device 1, R2 reliability of device 2, R3 is equal to reliability of device 3. This is the given information. Now you know that one. Based on the given information, first step is at each stage how many number of devices we can make. A maximum, that is we have to find the upper bound. You know the formula. What is the formula? Ui, that is upper bound at a particular stage I is equal to C plus Ci minus sigma j is equal to 1 to n Cj by Ci. This is the formula to calculate upper bound at each stage. First, calculate upper bound for device 1, U1, upper bound for device 1. So, what is the C? Total cost. Device 1 means C1. C1 cost is 30 minus sigma j is equal to 1 to n Cj means n value is 3. That means we have 3 devices. So, C1 plus E2 plus C3 by C1. C1 means total cost is 30. So, what is the answer? 135 minus this one is 65. So, that means 70. 70 by 32. Observe, even though you are getting points, but is point number of devices are not available, we will take the floor number. This is U1. That means what is the meaning of this one? At stage 1, the device 1, stage 1 means automatically the device 1, we are making a maximum of 2 copies. For device 1, we are making a maximum of 2 copies. Similarly, U2 105 plus 15 minus this one by 30. Simply the answer is 135 minus 65. 135 minus 65 by, it's not 13, sorry, it is 15, divide 2, it is 15. Simply the value is 3. U3 is equal to the same thing for device 3 by the device 3. Now we are getting 3 points. One is the maximum number of copies at each stage. The maximum number of copies at each stage. Now we will move to the program. First, I am using a notation s power I j. This is the notation I am using at each stage. How many stages we required? We required 3 stages. What is the meaning of this one? Once you know this meaning, the complete process is very simple. The meaning is here I represents the stage number. I represents the stage number. J represents the number of copies of the device. J represents the number of copies of device. For example, S35. For example, what is this meaning? S35 means at stage 3, we are maintaining 5 copies of a device. We are maintaining 5 copies of a device. Now, here in implementing process, each one is represented in a tuple format. The tuple contains 2 parameters. What are the 2 parameters? The first one is the reliability, second one is cost. First one is the reliability, second one is cost. Now I will start my procedure. What is the first step? Initially s power 0, that is stage 0. Stage 0 means there is no device. Stage 1 contains device 1, stage 2 device 2 and so on. Stage 0 means no device. That means the reliability is 1, cost is 0. This is the initial state. Assume S0 is equal to 1 comma 0. Here 1 is the reliability, 0 is the cost. Now I am calculating stage 1. If you understand at any one stage, then the remaining process is simple. So stage 1, S power 1. This is you need to calculate. Initially we are getting what is mu1 value, u1 value is equal to 2. That means we can make a maximum of 2 copies. What is the meaning of that one? We can make a maximum of 2 copies, means we can make either a single copy or 2 copy, both are allowed. That is, in each and every iteration I will try to implement all possible cases. So the formula is simply S power 1, that is on stage 1 with 1 copy union stage 1 with 2 copy. You got it? Once you understand this one, that means the value 2 means stage 1 I am maintaining 1 copy, I will calculate the answer. Along with along with the stage 1 I am maintaining 2 copies of the device and I am calculating the answer. Finally I am combining both the results. The stage 1 output is moved to stage 2. Remember, all these are connected in a series fashion. Stage 1 output moves to stage 2. Okay. In the first iteration I will calculate S power 1. Here you already know the term M1. So what do you mean by Mi? Mi is the number of copies. Mi is the number of copies. First I am calculating this one. So M1, what is M1 value? 1, only 1 copy. What is the formula? 1 minus R1 whole power M1. I am calculating for stage 1. Simply the answer is 1 minus R1 value is 0.9, M1 value is equal to 1, that is simply 0.9. So if the stage 1, if we are maintaining only 1 copy of the device, what is the answer? That is the reliability we are getting is 0.9. What to do? In each and every stage we are multiplying the answer with the previous stage. So what is the cost? That is, what is the tuple we are getting? The reliability 0.9 and the cost is 30. Now what is the procedure? Simply this pair is multiplied with stage 0 pair. So 1 into 0.9 comma 0 plus 30. So 0.9 comma 30. Similarly, calculate 2. The meaning is M1, that is number of copies of device 1 is equal to 2. That is, I am calculating the second part. 1 minus 0.9 whole square. 1 minus 0.9 whole square. So what is the answer? This one is 1 minus 0.1. 0.1 whole square means 0.01. So simply 1 minus 0.01 means 0.99. That is, what is the pair? The reliability. By using this formula we are calculating reliability. So the reliability cost for a single device, the cost is 2. For this I am maintaining 2 copies. We are maintaining 2 copies means 30 plus 30, 60 is the cost. And what is the step? Multiplying. Whenever a new tuple occurs, multiply with all the tuples present in the previous stage. So 0.99 into 1, 60 plus 0. So simply the answer is 0.99 comma 60. Finally, what is stage 1? Union of these two. This one. This is stage 1 with 1 copy, comma this one stage 1 with 2 copies. You have to remember this one. This is stage 1. It is clear? The stage 1 is completed. Now I will move to stage 2. what is stage 2? S square. What is u value? 3. That is, we can make a maximum of 3 copies. So see this one, how can write s square with 1 copy union s square with 2 copies union s square with 3 copies. So step by step we are calculating each and every one, and always multiply with the previous s power 1 value. Suppose see s square with 1 copy, this is the thing. M2 means stage 2, that is the reason I am using M2. What is M2 value? We are maintaining only 1 copy, so 1 minus R2 whole power M2. Simply R2 value is equal to 0.8 whole power 1, that is 0.8. What is the pair we are getting? The pair is reliability 0.8. What is the cost of device 2? The cost of device 2 is 15. The cost of device 2 is 15. Now, what is the answer? The answer is not at all completed. Remember, stage 2 with 1 copy. How we are getting? You have to multiply this pair with the previous one. That means stage 1 0.9 comma 30, 0.99 comma 60. These two are the pairs occurred in stage 1. Now this one like this, 0.8 into 0.9 comma 15 plus 30, this is one pair, comma 0.8 into 0.99 comma 15 plus 60. Now you got it. This is the pair we are getting. This pair is multiplied with this pair. Why? Because all the devices are connected in a series fashion. All the devices are connected in a series fashion. So what is the answer? Simply 0.72 comma 45. You have to use the calculator. 0.792 comma 75. Okay. Now stage 2 with 2 copies. The first one is completed. Stage 2 with 2 copies, that is M2 value is equal to 1 minus 0.8 whole square. 1 minus 0.8 whole square, that is 0.96. Now what is the pair? The pair is 0.96. What is the cost? Cost of single device is 15, but here we are using 2 devices, so the cost is 30. The cost is 30. Now what is the answer? The answer is simply we are multiplying this pair into stage 1. The same procedure, 0.96 into 0.9 comma 30 plus 30, this is one pair. 0.96 into 0.99 comma 30 plus 60, this is another pair. Finally multiply these two. If you are multiplying these two, 0.86 comma 60, 0.95 comma 90. Think you got the answer. All these are connected in series fashion. I don't know how many number of copies I have to make. That is the reason I am using all possible cases. I am calculating all possible cases. Now not completed. Stage 2 with 3 copies. Stage 2 with 3 copies. What is M2 value? M2 value is equal to 3. 1 minus 0.8 whole cube. 0.8 whole cube, 0.992. Please use calculator. If you are using calculator, it is very simple. Now what is the pair? 0.992 comma 3 devices. 3 devices means 45. So again the same procedure. What is this? 0.992 into 0.9 comma 45 plus 30. 0.992 into 0.99 comma 45 plus 60. Now what is the answer? 0.89 comma 75, 0.98 comma 105. Okay, that is the stage 2 is completed. Stage 2 can contain either 1 copy, 2 copies or 3 copies. Simply what is the answer? You have to perform union operation. Remember, always connected in series. That is the reason I don't know how many number of copies I have to make. That is why each and every time I am multiplying with the previous stage. Either it contains 1 copy or 2 copies. Write down all the pairs 0.72 45. Okay, after writing generally at stage 2, at stage 1 generally no problem. So general cases at stage 2, observe the pattern. We have to remove some number of tuples from stage 2 onward. Generally we are removing some number of tuples based on some criteria. So what are the different criteria? The first thing is, what is the total cost? The total cost is not more than 105. But observe this one. Here this is the pair that occurred. That means this pair occurred at stage 2 with 3 copies. Suppose if you are maintaining stage 2 with 3 copies, the cost is 105. But how can we add a device at stage 3? Why? Because the total 105 cost is in stage 2. Compulsory the stage 3 at least each stage can maintain one device. Each stage can maintain one device. What is the cost of the device at stage 3? 20. So here we are getting the value 105. So by adding 20, so the answer is 125, but it is out of the range. That is the reason we are eliminating this tuple. You got it? At stage 2 only we are crossing the over limit. Suppose consider this pair. So here the value is 90. At stage 3 we are adding a device with 20. What is the value? 110. This is also violates the property. You got it? Generally at each and every step we are checking like this. Okay, now one more property is, consider any two pairs. Consider any two pairs in the tuple such that we have to eliminate a tuple. You have to eliminate a tuple such that it has less reliability, more cost. General thing. Even though you don't know the formula, reliability means error free. If we are providing more cost, we are getting more reliability. Suppose we are getting low reliability with more cost, then what to do? Observe any two patterns. Here what is the cost? What is the cost? 75. What is the reliability? 0.79. Here what is the cost? 60. What is the reliability? 0.86. Observe, for 75 rupees we are getting 0.7 reliability. But here for 60 rupees we are getting 0.86 reliability. Then this one is waste. You got it? Here less reliability, more cost. Less reliability, more cost. So eliminate the tuples like this. So compare. Here the cost is 45, reliability is 0.7. Here the cost is 60, cost is also increased. Here the reliability is 0.8, here also 0.8, but here cost 75, cost 60. This is 0.89, this is 0.86. Here the reliability is high, cost is high, no problem. Inverse relation is not applicable. Finally, after removing the 3 pairs, these 3 are the remaining pairs. Sorry. One second. Zero 0.89 comma 75. Now stage 2 is completed. Finally we have 3 stage system, means we have to implement the third stage also in a similar fashion. Okay. stage 3. What is value? 3. mu3 value is 3. That means here also we can maintain a maximum of 3 copies. S3 is equal to 1 copy with 2 copy with 3 copy. The same process. We have to repeat the same process for our convenience. Here I am writing again S2. That is to perform multiplication. Here I am writing stage 2 values. So stage 2 values are 0.72. Okay. Now M3 value is equal to 1. M3 value is equal to 1. So what is the answer? 1 minus R3. What is R3 value? 0.5 whole power. So 0.5. The pair we are getting is 0.5 comma. What is the pair? 0.5 comma 1 device. The cost is 20. So simply we are getting 0.5 into 0.72. We have to multiply like this. Simply 0.5 into 0.72 comma 20 plus 45. Again 0.5 into 0.86, 20 plus 60. I will write for one stage. 0.5 into 0.89 comma 20 plus 75. So finally stage 3 with 1 copy, the values are 0.3665. So I am already calculated. So you have to use calculator, normal mathematical formulas. Now stage 3 with 2 copies. Stage 3 with 2 copies. So what is the formula? 1 minus 0.5 whole square, that is 0.75. So what is the pair we are getting? 0.75 comma 40. Why 40? 2 copies. 2 copies. So simply the procedure is same again. So 0.75 into 0.72. Okay. So no problem. I will write 0.75 into 0.72. 40 plus 45. Suppose simply 85. 0.75 into 0.86, 100. 0.75 into 0.89 plus 105. Sorry, 115. Sorry, 115. Now simply you have to remove this one. Not only at the time of union. So you can remove at any point of time. If it is 115, simply remove this one. So in the previous stage, for your understanding purpose only, I will write down in the union 0.8485, 0.645, 100. Similarly, stage 3 with 3 copies. This is the last step. Wait for 5 minutes. The program is completed. So what is the value we are getting? 1 minus 0.5 whole cube. 0.5 whole cube. Simply we are getting 0.875 comma 3 devices cost. 3 devices cost. So the final step, (45 plus 60), 0.86 into 0.875, 60 plus 60, 0.89 into 0.875, 75 plus 60. Simply observe, the value is 120, no need to this one. Here also the value is 135, no need of this one. Here the value is 105, so you can consider this one. It is not more than 105. 0.63 comma 105. Finally, the stage 3 answer is, what are the remaining tuples? These are the remaining tuples. Now at stage 3, what you do is, what is the maximum cost they are given? What is the maximum cost they are given? The maximum they are allowed is 105. So checking for a cost 105 whether it is available or not. Along with each and every state, what you have to do? You have to implement dominance rule. What do you mean by dominance rule? Less reliability, more cost. Less reliability, more cost. That is the first important thing. Based on this, here this is the more cost compared to this one, but less reliability. So you have to eliminate this one. You have to eliminate this one. Now, what is the pair? Consider the pair with the cost nearest to the given cost. The given cost is 105, nearest to the given cost is 100. So this is the pair we are considering, 0.65 comma 500. Now step by step I will move back. In which stage? This is stage 3. At how many number of copies we are getting this pair? You got my point? This is the pair we are getting. How many number of copies we are getting this pair? That is in stage 3. Observe stage 3 with 1 copy, with 2 copy and 3 copy, like this. Observe where the pair is present. Here the pair is present. See this one? The pair is present at this position. The pair is present at this position. That means stage 3. That means stage 3 contains how many number of copies? 2 copies. This is the point. You have to observe this one. Stage 3 contains 2 copies. 2 copies. Now, what is the cost here? The cost is 100. The cost is 100. What is the remaining cost? Simply the remaining cost is, you have to move in 2 ways. One simple way is, what is the remaining cost? Stage 3 we are maintaining 2 copies. So 2 into 20, 40. So the remaining cost is 60. This is the remaining cost. Okay. In stage 2 where this cost is present. Stage 2 where this cost is present. Observe stage 2. I am moving to stage 2. See this one? Yes, I have 60. This one is present. Stage 2 with 1 copy, or stage 2 with 2 copies, or stage 2 with 3 copies. Where it is available? See, stage 2 with 2 copies. Here this is available at this position. Available at this position. Okay. That means I will write down here. What is the meaning of this one? The meaning is stage 2 also maintains 2 copies. Stage 2 also maintains 2 copies. What is the remaining cost? The remaining cost is, here already 60. Stage 2. The stage 2 cost is 15. Stage 2 cost is 15. So 15 into 2, 30. 60 minus 30. The remaining cost is 30. Check cost 30 in stage 1. Yes, observe here it is present. It is present at stage 1 with 1 copy. Stage 1 with 1 copy. That means, so what is the cost of device 1? The device 1 cost is 30. So stage 1 with 1 copy. This is the way. Finally, last step we are getting the value nearest to the given value. Step by step, based on the cost we are moving in the backward direction, or based on the reliability also we can move. Based on the reliability also we can move. Okay. How? So first 0.645 where it is present? Simply observe. See, 0.645 is present in this one. When it is appeared? If 0.64, if we are multiplying 0.75 with 0.86, observe 0.86 is from stage 2. So we are considering the pair 0.86. Again, in stage 2, how 0.86 occurred? Observe. How 0.86 occurred? 0.86 occurred. We are multiplying with 0.9. So where 0.9 is present in stage 1? 0.9 is present with 1 copy. That is the reason. So costs are subtracted or reliabilities are division or multiplying. This is the way we are constructing a 3-stage system. Finally, the final diagram is stage 1, one copy of device 1, stage 2, we are maintaining 2 copies, stage 3, we are maintaining 3 copies. This is the 3-stage system for the given problem. Thank you.